Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we're going to continue our project. In this video we're going to do a project maximum of 3 numbers. We're going to put 3 numbers and it's going to say the biggest one of them. So first we have to create a max of 2. So write def a function max of 2. Open up brackets and here write number 1, number 2, close the brackets, out of 2 numbers. If I forgot colon, so write if n number 1 is bigger number 2, then you have to return number 1. But else we'll just write return and 2, number 2. Next we have to create another function def max of 3. Open up brackets and write n1, n2, and 3. 3 numbers. I forgot the colon. And after the colon, we just have to now create create a new variable max2 equals max of 2 number 1 number 2. And now max of 3 is gonna be equal max of 2, and here we write max 2 and number 3. So now we just I have to close it, and then we have to write return, so it returns max of 3. So now we just have to create a print function, print max of 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so guys, now let's run it. So it prints out 3. So if we write 4, 6, 9, print 9. So guys, that's all for this lecture. See you in the next one. Bye bye.